Your nervous system is a balancing act, and what can be really helpful to promote this balance are essential oils. So one of my go-to is actually the Balance Blend. And so you can start the day with a drop just at the base of your feet, bottom of your feet, to get that grounding you need. And for many of those that are working from home, let's say if you're having trouble focusing, having mental clarity, just simply grab some peppermint. You can place it into a diffuse it, or if you don't have that, just place 1 or 2 drops into your palm and just inhale. So all of these oils can really promote grounding and balance, and during times like this where we're adjusting to our new situation and managing stress, it's important to rest. And so we have lavender and cedarwood, or we can use the Serenity Blend. And these three, or a combination of these three, can be placed in a glass bottle like this as a spray. Just add a few drops to water, spray it over your pillow, over your bed, and just draw in that comfort and grounding. And for those that are currently experiencing neck tension from stress, you can apply a few of these drops, 1 or 2 drops, along the outer fabric of a neck wrap or a hot pack. So if you're interested in more tips or personalized guidance as to which essential oils to use for you and your family, we're excited to offer remote consultations. Just see a link below.